What up? Let's look at the trade that I took on gold today. Right now I have one trade that is open. You can see. This is my favorite setup as well. Double bottom, double bottom, major trend reversal, right? This is something that I like. My favorite setup. Let's talk about the trade that I took today, right? Um, one losing trade there, and then I took a winning trade here, and then hopefully this trade will be a winning trade as well. And let's talk about the trade that I took today. Um, Wait a minute, I have to open. Yep. You can see over here when I came to the chart, I would say it's pretty much price is ranging at that point somewhere around here, just ranging massively. And then um I would say okay, probably I can take some buy at the one third of the low of the trading range, and then I saw this bull bar and I'm thinking that probably I can buy above there and then put my stop here and then targeting the range top 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. That's my whole idea. I think it makes sense as well, right? But it didn't happen. I got stopped out by this one bear bar. You can see over here I got stopped out. Do I think this buy trade here makes sense? I would say it's reasonable, but it's not perfect. If it can be at the lower of the range, it would be better somewhere around here, right? But at that time, I think it's also reasonable as well, as this bull bar closed on its high. I put my stop here and then tightening possible 1 to 2 ratio. I think it reasonable as well. And the whole picture is we're ranging massively, right? And yep. And then I took a losing trade here. And after I saw this one bear bar and then this next bear bar break below the trading range, and I'm thinking, okay, probably market is always in short, and I want to, and then I entered there, put my stop all the way up there, and then I'm aiming to target 1 to 1 risk reward ratio, and then you can see that price cannot reach my target. You can see, right? And then I add another position here. I think it's not reasonable add another position here, but I was using extremely small lot as well, so I think it's okay, but next time I will not add position here. Um, as it, pull back a lot, so next time probably I would not. My initial idea was I want to try to take a scalp there, right? But I neglect the fact that we're in a big, massive trading range and it can be easily second leg trap, right? One, two, right? It can be easily second leg trap, right? So wait a minute. And at the time of thinking that it can be a second leg trap in the trading range as the context of the market is we're in a big trading range, and at that time we're at the bottom of the range low. So selling, I took a scalp position here was a bit high risk, to be honest. But I think it's reasonable to take this short there as I'm saw this two bear bar close on the low and breaking below the trading range, and then initially want to target the one time of the trading range. Also is the range low of the bigger picture trading range, right? So that's my whole idea. I think what I can do better is I think the loan here is reasonable, but it would be better if it is a lower of the range, then I can have a tighter stop loss, but I think this trade is also reasonable as lower third of the trailing range, and then I can have a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio, tightening the range high, right? But the next bear bar hit my stop loss and then switch my bias. I enter short here as market is always in short with this two bear bar, and then um counting 1 to 1 risk reward ratio, but then price failed to give me that 1 to 1 risk reward ratio. And then I add another position as I saw this possible low one entry short, and then enter another position here. And then I will exit everything if price close above there, and I will potentially thinking of enter long position instead, right? So that's my whole idea at that time. And yes, that's my whole idea. And I think right now, trading is not easy. I think it's pretty difficult because um, in I was not trading good in the last week, right? Last week, so um, definitely it's not easy game, right? And also sometimes I just took some stupid losses, right? And if I can really minimize those stupid losses or dumb losses, then I think I will be greatly profitable. And I should wait for something that I understand, right? You can see that here, very easy to understand. There, we're in bottom of the range, and then you can see that very clean. Double bottom bow flat, and then we can see that this pullback is pretty weak, and then we have uh bullish reversal bar close on this high, double top. Here is a micro double top is double bottom as well, right? This is something that I know, and then I'm pretty sure that it can reach to the range high, right? Because the whole market is ranging, and I take the trade at the bottom to range, and then I think this kind of trade that is really what I want to take instead of like yesterday I took a trade on Bitcoin. It's Sunday and then I just can't resist the temptation. I saw some nice opportunity, some volume in Bitcoin and then I just took a trade and then I took two losing trade there and then lost lose some profit as well. So really dumb trade, lose some profit as well, really should not take, trade like that. And then my target is very simple. Here I can easily target 1 to 2 ratio. I can easily target 1 to 2 ratio, but I want more. If price fail to create a double top here, I can say price will possible have a measure move up. And then yeah, that's my whole target, right? Price probably will have a measure move up. So a targeting the measure move of the potential double top here. So that's my whole idea, right? Yep, that's my whole idea. And yeah, I think this loan is reasonable. This short also makes sense. Manage my trade pretty good. I don't think the scalp here is a good idea, but at what it is, I think this loan is pretty good and there's something that I know as well. And yeah. I'm just gonna pause the video and hopefully this trade can reach my target and then I can withdraw my profit, right? So, um, and also really minimize my stupid losses, right? That's really important as well. But right now, my funding pair phase two account is up 3.4%. Hopefully I can pause it by this trade. I need Oh, definitely I cannot pause it, right? Yeah, I think I can. to reach my target, right? But I'm gonna call it a day, a bit sleepy for me as well. So yeah, hopefully I can reach my target and then I can get a payout and then, you know, yep, that's my whole idea. And I'm gonna call it a day. Yeah.